Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the ISPFCU Mobile Banking app is and how it's positioned. ISPFCU Mobile Banking is the official mobile banking application from Illinois State Police Federal Credit Union that lets enrolled members securely access and manage their accounts on a smartphone or tablet, according to the verified Google Play Store and Apple App Store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. According to the official Google Play Store listing, the ISPFCU Mobile Banking app lets users view their account balances and check recent transaction history right from their device. The verified Apple App Store description also states that the app supports transferring money between eligible accounts within the mobile interface. This app may be useful for everyday banking because its documented features include making mobile check deposits using the device's camera, helping members deposit checks without visiting a branch. For users interested in fund movement, the official descriptions note that the app lets members send money between accounts and manage transfers easily on the go. Security protections such as secure login credentials and encrypted data transmission are part of the documented mobile banking experience to help protect sensitive financial information. Access to ISPFCU Mobile Banking requires users to sign in with their existing credit union online banking credentials after enrolling in Illinois State Police Federal Credit Union's digital banking platform. This app may be useful for members who want a mobile way to check balances, view transactions, transfer funds, and make mobile check deposits without needing to visit a branch. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.